Installing the Malcolm 6 Power Long Rifle Telescope Front Mount. Hi, this is Scott with Hi-Lux Optics. Today we will be installing the Malcolm 6 Power Long Rifle Telescope Front Mount and discussing situations where the higher mount might be needed. The standard Malcolm 6 Power Long Rifle Telescope front ring has a 3/8 inch dovetail. To install the front ring on the scope tube, slide the front ring on the objective end sunshade, with the flat spring facing the back of the scope. The front ring will slide into the front dovetail by the muzzle. Once you have centered the front ring, tighten the screws on the front ring to secure it in place. The standard height is designed for a 200-yard zero. If you want to zero at 100 yards or meters, you will need to use the M634LHF, Malcolm 6 Power Long Rifle Telescope Higher Front Ring.